Good afternoon. I would like to formally welcome you here to the spectacular surroundings of Boturich Castle to witness and share in the joy of the marriage of Karen Hutcheson and Andrew House.
The fierce dinosaur was trapped inside his cage of ice. Although it was cold, he was happy in there. It was, after all, his cage. Then along came the lovely other dinosaur. The lovely other dinosaur melted the dinosaur's cage with kind words and loving thoughts. I like this dinosaur, thought the lovely other dinosaur. Although he is fierce, he is also tender and he is funny. He is also quite clever, though I will not tell him this for now. I like this lovely other dinosaur, thought the dinosaur. She's beautiful and she is different and she smells so nice. She's also a free spirit, which is a quality I much admire in a dinosaur. But he can be so distant and so peculiar at times, thought the lovely other dinosaur. He is also overly fond of things. Are all dinosaurs so overly fond of things? But her mind skips from there to here so quickly, thought the dinosaur. She is also uncommonly keen on shopping. Are all lovely other dinosaurs so uncommonly keen on shopping? I will forgive his peculiarity and his concern for things, thought the lovely other dinosaur. They are part of what makes him a richly charactered individual. I will forgive her skipping mind and her fondness for shopping, thought the dinosaur, for she fills our life with beautiful thoughts and wonderful surprises. Besides, I am not unkeen on shopping either. Now the dinosaur and the lovely other dinosaur are old. Look at them. Together they stand on the hill, telling each other stories and feeling the warmth of the sun on their backs. And that, my friends, is how it is with love. Let us all be the dinosaurs and lovely other dinosaurs together, for the sun is warm and the world is a beautiful place.
Our family have known Andy for several years now, and he's become more and more involved in that life. In my experience, he's a generous, thoughtful, caring individual. His positive can-do attitude to life is to be admired. I'm sure he's very professional at work, but having seen him interacting with family, it's clear to me that Andy is someone who regards family life as extremely important.
Hey man, you good? Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, can you all be upstanding to receive your bride and the bridal party?
Karen, I offer you this ring as a token of my love for you.
All that I am, I give to you.
All that I am, I give to you.
All that I have, I share with you.
All that I have, I share with you.
Karen, would you accept this ring by saying, Andy, I accept this ring.
Andy, I accept this ring.
And in return, I give you my love.
And in return, I give you my love. Andy, I give you this ring as a token of my love for you.
All that I am, I give to you.
All that I am, I give to you.
All that I have, I share with you.
All that I have, I share with you.
Andy, would you accept this ring by saying, Karen, I accept this ring.
Karen, I accept this ring.
And in return, I give you my love.
And in return, I give you my love.
It gives me enormous pleasure to pronounce that you are now husband and wife.
Andy and Karen have been a couple for several years now. Recently bought a house together. Andy has been excellent supporting Karen in raising Rhiannon and Jensen. He brings a strong sense of values to the relationship. Indeed, Andy early on let Karen know who was the boss. He looked her straight in the eye and clearly said, "You're the boss."
And as I've known Andrew since the adoption agency dropped him off, he looks wonderful in his kilt. And I know how hard he's worked to stay in shape for this big day. In fact, for a long time now, Andrew's observed a strict daily exercise regime. Every day he locks himself in that garage conversion. He raises his heartbeat to double its usual rate for at least 10 minutes, while vigorously working specific muscle groups. But that habit first started when he got his broadband. I chose to leave him in the room at the stag do on his own so he could keep this exercise regime up. I think it's paid off.
Andy, we are delighted to welcome you to the family. We have found you to be a kind and considerate man who deserves a good wife. Thank goodness you married Karen before you found one. You know, Andy, it's been said that a man is not complete until he's married. Then he's well and truly finished. It's too late now, Andy, I'm afraid, son.
On behalf of my wife and I, first of all, can I say how beautiful, Karen, you look today? Thank you very much. Cheers.
Karen, Andy loves how fun you are to be with. The way you love a laugh with him, the kids and both your families. You're thoughtful and loving, and you love to party. And he misses that when you're apart. He can't wait to spend the rest of his life with you. But your all year round Christmas pyjama wearing habit is suspect to say the least. So knock it off. Andy, Karen loves the way you put Rhiannon, Jensen and her at the centre of everything. Your kindness knows no bounds when it comes to those you love, and your cuddles are legendary. In years to come, it's Karen's wish that you become an older, happily married couple, just like both your parents. But I tell you what she did say, you snore like a train.
My brother said, I think he's found a match in Karen. She is without a doubt the most loving, kind, honest and loyal woman he could have possibly hoped to end up with. I mean every word. How he landed there, I've no idea. Genuinely no idea. He rocked up there in Spain one day, much to surprise my aunt and uncle here tonight. He's found his soulmate along with Rhiannon and Jensen. They really do make a perfect unit. Aye.
Word of advice, remember that marriage is a partnership. Look no further in Esther and I wear the trousers and Esther tells me what we to put on. Best advice is simple and constant. Life is just too short to worry, so be happy and enjoy family life together.
It's been many years now since we met, and that night we got together, and from early on I knew you were the one for me. A bump sticker. I'm only glad that you felt the same way, and when I asked you to marry me, you said yes. Karen, you are my friend, my rock. You light up everyone's life, and it's an honour now to be able to call you my wife.